Codex versus Claude Code. Which one is better? So in this video, I'd like to give you my results on an app which I created. In this case, it was a budgeting app, and I did it once in Codex and once in Claude Code. And in this case, in this example here, you can see the result of Codex. So by the way, just to mention this, both of these models used the front-end design skill to enhance the design, because by default it looked worse than that. But now this is actually what OpenAI produced, in this case Codex. And you can see this is a budget itself. You can basically add here entries, so you can cancel the edit, you can edit the edit. It's just a little bit strange to me, because if you click here, for instance, on edit, you would have to edit it up here. So to me, the design in Codex itself looks kind of a little bit weird regarding the order of the elements. Also, you can go here and you can basically generate insights. So this is a GPT model which is there, which then analyzes all your budget for the month right here, and then gives you some kind of insights on what you maybe save money or something like that, right? So that's basically the idea. But this is basically the result in Codex. And now I show you the result in Claude Code, so which is this one here. That is the app in Claude Code. Looks like that. So here you also have basically the option to add or edit expenses, but here with a pop-up window. Cancel this. You can see charts here about the different kinds of months and what they look like. And you also have here the categories where you can specify what kind of categories you can actually use. And you can also see up here, if I tick this option, then there's an option to analyze actually what happened in this month, right? So that's also possible with this GenAI assistant. So you can chat with it in here as well. So basically, these are the two different options. This one from Codex and this one from Claude Code. So based on the development itself, I'd like to give you a few insights, because for instance in Claude Code you see that there is the side navigation here, the side panel. There's also the option with this pop-up window here. In all these things, actually Claude interviewed me here and asked me whether I would like to have that or not. That was not happening with Codex, actually. Codex was working more on its own, so to speak. It didn't ask so many questions. And also, this is something which I would actually, highlight here. Codex was way faster. So this app was built way faster than Claude Code. Claude Code took much more time in developing that. But for the end result, actually, I personally prefer what Claude did here. So even though I had to sacrifice speed, so to speak, because this took more than twice as long as with Codex, however, the end result, at least to me, looks much better here in Claude Code. And maybe, just maybe, in Codex, it could also look better if I would have forced Codex to ask more questions at the beginning. But as I said, this is a comparison between those two where I actually did more or less the same. It was just that Claude by default asked more questions and then created something like this. And with Codex here, as I said, I think the order is a little bit strange. The design itself, I don't think it's too bad, but the order itself is still strange to me. And yeah, I personally prefer this option here. So that's it for this video. So please write in the comments what you prefer, and also maybe your experiences. Did you also see that Codex is way faster, but maybe the end result regarding design is not that strong? So it's up to you. I like to hear your answers in the chat. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Until then, best guys.